So one of the easiest ways to create a window component in SketchUp is to create a wall and create the openings where you like them. Make sure the wall is in a group, so right click and make group. Then it's just to take the rectangle tool, cover one opening, and we can take push pull, click on the first surface and bring it all the way through the back side like this, so it's completely covered. Then it's just to take the offset tool. I'm going to give it maybe 60mm offset for the frame. Push pull again, this time select the center of the window and bring that all the way through too, so you've created the frame. Maybe bring the frame in slightly like this from both sides. And then it's just to create the glass with a rectangle too. I can click on the midpoint and midpoint up here, and maybe give it a slight thickness as well. And that's it. Now it's just to select all the geometry you've just modeled, right click and choose make component and give it a name. I don't need to change any of these boxes here. It's just to make sure that this is checked, replace selection with component, and then click on create. And that's it, I've created my component. Now I usually just take a copy. I only need to take one copy and place it here, and then if they're evenly spaced I can do times by 3, and there you go. One of the quickest ways to make a component in SketchUp. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.